In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page with Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating visually stunning pages without needing extensive design skills. So, let's dive in and get started with our first step. First of all, you'll need to log into Canva on your PC. If you don't have an account yet, setting one up is quick and easy. Just head over to the Canva website and follow the prompts to register. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where the magic begins. Now, look at the top right corner of the screen for the Create a Design button. Click on it, and in the search bar that appears, type Landing Page. Canva will present you with a range of design options specifically for landing pages. If you have a specific dimension in mind, you can also choose the Custom Size option here, offering you full control over the layout. With the design space open, you have the option to select a template from the landing page gallery. Canva offers numerous professionally designed templates, ideal for giving you a head start. If you prefer to craft your landing page from the ground up, you can certainly start with a blank canvas. The next step is to make the landing page your own by adding elements. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a toolbar filled with options like text, images, buttons, and even video. Simply drag and drop these elements onto your canvas. Play around with their arrangement and placement until you find a composition that resonates with your objectives. Once your elements are in place, it's time to customize. This is where you inject your brand's personality into the mix. Change colors to match your brand's palette. Choose fonts that reflect your tone, and adjust the layout to enhance user experience. Canva makes it easy to tweak these details with just a few clicks, ensuring your landing page doesn't just look good, but also aligns perfectly with your brand identity. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, head over to the top right and click on Publish. Select Website, which will give you several view options like Scrolling, Standard, or Presentation View, each catering to different needs. Choose the one that best showcases your content and goals for the landing page. Finally, once you're happy with the setup, Canva will generate a link for your new landing page. You can copy this link and share it directly, or use Canva's built-in sharing options to distribute it through the platform of your choice. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you've crafted a professional-grade landing page using Canva. This tool's simplicity and flexibility make it easier than ever to reach your audience effectively. So go ahead, give it a try, and watch your ideas come to life.